Hi ladies, this is Irene. I'm just doing a video to promote a challenge giveaway from a new lady that I've just come across through another subby. I've heard about her before, but I don't know, it's just now that I've subbed to her. Her name's Crafty Irina. She's got my name, and it's a 1 year. It's titled My 1 Year YouTube Anniversary, but she stopped it at the V and put a dot because it's too long. Pay it forward giveaway. So if you go onto her channel and see that video, it was made a week ago, and she's asking people to promote 3 subbies of yours that are starting out, and to say something about their channel and listing their YouTube name in your description. Her winners will be chosen on the 10th of August, and she'll be giving away 2 $25 store credit vouchers from Zipit or Etsy stores that her friend are sponsoring for her, and I can't recall who they are. So I've chosen my 3 subbies. They are, 2 of them are new, one's been a subby for a while, but we've only now just started chatting. So the first newie is Samantha. This is her YouTube name. It's a long one, and all of these names, the way you'll find them, I'll write them exactly how their YouTube names are in my description. Unfortunately, I don't know how to do links, otherwise I would have. So the first one is a lovely lady from the UK, and a lot of my UK subbies know her too. So her name is Samantha Joanne Michelle Sutherland. That's her YouTube name, and she's got 19 subbies at the moment, and she should have a lot more because she's a very sweet, genuine lady. She's a self-confessed geek that's got posters on her wall. She makes videos thanking other subbies for her inspirations, like I think Crafty Irina and Gemma Lou. So she's a real sweetheart, and she left some lovely comments with me to make me feel better about something as well, and we haven't really spoken before, so that was really nice of her. And so she makes videos thanking other subbies for her inspiration to create things, and then she'll show what she's made from these ladies' inspirations. And she likes old-fashioned things and laces and stuff, and she really enjoys a yarn. This lady can talk, and she loves knitting. So go on over and check her out, and sub to her, please. So the second one is a lovely lady from America. Her name is Rasheen Naturally in Love Nelson. So it's her name's Rashida, I think. So here she's got Rashee as short, and Naturally in Love space Nelson, but I'll list that below anyway. So she's got 31 subbies. All up, I think she's got about 6 videos, so she's just starting out. She's been on YouTube for a year, but in the last 2 months she's been really active. And I think if we all support her now, she'll continue on to do amazing things, because she's got this one VR she's put up for a VR to Ronnie Sue Scrapper 550 subby giveaway, where she's made this incredible chipboard album. It is unbelievable. So I can't wait to see more projects from you, Rashida. And not only that, she's an extremely likable, funny and sweet lady. In most of her vids you can see her face, and she just exudes likability, and she's really funny, and yeah, you just can't help smiling when you watch her videos. So So please go on over to her as well. And then there's another lady called Aurora Delphine. She's got 13 subbies, and she's been a long time, I remember her name, a long time subbie of mine. And I've just started chatting to her recently, and I've found out she is from the same state as Ruth Burr. She's an Adelaidean, from Adelaide. I think, Ruth, you're outside of Adelaide, but you're in the same state. And my state is bordering South Australia. Okay. So she isn't making vids at the moment, but I'm telling her how to post vids. So she's learning, and she's going to start doing that soon. She has a wide selection of playlists to watch with great vids, but she has a blog, so if you want to go and see her stuff before she starts making videos, if you want to get a sneak peek. But not only that, the poor darling hasn't got any followers yet, and she's been asking me like how to promote herself, and I said, well, you need to make videos, hon, that'll help. But she doesn't know how to, but she's getting there and she's learning. So I'm her first follower, and it would mean so much to me and to her if you would please go to her blog and follow her. So she makes these amazing flowers. Like, if you love homemade flowers, you will love her flowers. They are beautiful flowers. And she makes these adorable little altered boxes where you open them up, and she's even embellished the inside very simply because she places jewellery in them. And so that site is www.aurora, AURORA, and then it's got a slash Delphine, which is her YouTube name, DELPHYNE.blogspot.com.au, and we put the AU on the end because that means Australia for any international ladies. And she's a wonderful lady from South Australia, like I said, and she's been a long time and supportive subbie of mine. So I'd really appreciate it if you could, if all my subbies, especially my closer subbies, if you could please go and check out her blog and follow her. I'd really appreciate it. I was thinking I'm putting some of you on the spot and naming names, but I won't do that. But yeah, so I'd just like to finish off by thanking Crafty Irene. I don't know you yet, but from what I do know of you, you are an amazing lady. Ruth Burr thinks the world of you, and so do a lot of other ladies. And yeah, I'm glad that I've finally subbed to you, and looking forward to learning from you as well. So yeah, it's a lovely thing you've done. So yeah, good on you. And everyone, please join in. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.